So here it is. It's the latest purchase for Dust Slotcar box. A Fortis 1500 by 3000 millimeter CNC router. So it will handle full sheets of 1200 by 2400, 4 foot by 8 foot with a multitude of bits. Let's take a quick walk around. Heavy duty stepper motors. It did come as a kit. 1.5 kilowatt motor, helical gears and linear rails for all the bearings to run on. Spoil board, as you can see. Very durable, 500 kilo rated, adjustable wheels on at each point. You can see the amount of fiddling around I had to do to level my garage. It's like a BMX track. Not only does it fall away as it should, but you can see, particularly over here, each quadrant of the garage is like tectonic plates. There's a massive tree next door that's doing its best to change the level of this garage with its root system. But yeah, just working our way down this side of the machine. You can see the cable chain, the VFD, the variable frequency device, which controls the speed and operation of the spindle itself. And then you've got the brains of the operation here, the E5 MCS Maker Store proprietary controller, all heavy duty drivers for each of the motors, dual power supplies and so forth. So a bit more of the wiring here. Like I said, it is the Fortis. It's the largest model in their series, so the 1500 millimeter by 3000. Cable chain here to keep the cables away from the work surface itself. There's limit switches everywhere as well. And I did go for the air-cooled motor. Of course, the obligatory e-stop and the XYZ probe that you put on the corner of your workpiece. And have the router bit bottom out on here. And then it touches on the left side of the workpiece and then the front of the workpiece, so it knows exactly where the origin and the surface of your workpiece is. So that's a really handy option for any CNC router setup. Lastly, a massive shout out to Steve from Highway Slotcars, who drove over and assisted me to do most of the mechanical assembly of this table. So Steve and I spent probably 3 days getting brain damage, not only leveling the table out, but also working our way through the instructions and many pieces in this kit. It is extensive and it requires a lot of patience to be built, but certainly rewarded by the end result. So Steve, you're a legend, mate. Thanks again. I look forward to seeing it in action very soon.